Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and this video will show you how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. I know a lot of people don't have home servers and don't know where to start. You can move forward onto Proxmox and your home server and go from there. But this is just a little program so you can just test and have fun and just learn what virtual machines are and how they work. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.